Yes, I remember to put feet on this time. Alright, so as you can see, it's 2009 to 10 Lasko Galaxy. Got the flower petal blades, the handle that they've used since the 90s. I didn't think they used this knob here though. No stand hole, thin cabinet. Here's the back. We got the shine wong motor, as we call it. Got rust here and there, but that can be expected. Anyway, enough blabbering, here's high. It's good air, but I think it's good. And flip it back to off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 seconds. Pretty good. Well, hopefully you enjoyed and have a good one.